Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Any pain?
I'm fine.
It's working on your lower eyelids now.
Is it still a 5 or is it higher?
No, fine.
Retract, please.
How are you doing? Okay?
Fine.
How are you doing, Mrs. Goldman? Okay, that's just a cold compress that's on your head, okay?
Okay.
He's working on your cheeks now.
What? Watch the light. Is this a higher than a 5 in pain?
Yeah, that's all right.
What is it?
8 or a 9. It's all right.
Very good patient. Now I'm seeing the pixels in the skin mortar, so even though the beeps aren't beeping, it means it's working, right? No, I know that, though. I thought if you didn't hear the beeps, you